Hey, what's up, fellow coders? Welcome back to our channel. Today, I have something really exciting to share with you all. We're diving into the world of coding productivity, and I'll be sharing 7 quick tips to help you code faster and boost your productivity. So, let's jump right into it. The first tip I have for you is to organize your workspace. A cluttered environment can be a huge distraction and slow you down. Take a few minutes before you start coding to tidy up your physical and digital workspace. Clear off any unnecessary clutter, organize your files and folders, and set up a comfortable and distraction-free zone. Trust me, a clean workspace can work wonders for your focus and speed. Now, let's talk about using shortcuts. One of the best ways to speed up your coding is by learning and utilizing keyboard shortcuts. Most popular code editors have a wide range of shortcuts that can significantly reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks. Take some time to familiarize yourself with these shortcuts and practice incorporating them into your workflow. It might feel a bit challenging at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be coding like a pro in no time. Tip number 3 is all about mastering autocomplete. Code editors often come with intelligent autocomplete features that can save you a ton of time. These tools suggest code snippets, function names, and even entire lines of code based on what you're typing. By utilizing autocomplete effectively, you can drastically speed up your coding process and reduce the chances of making syntax errors. So, make sure you explore the autocomplete options in your favorite editor and take full advantage of this powerful feature. Moving on to tip number 4, break down your tasks. Sometimes, a coding project can feel overwhelming, especially if it's complex or extensive. In such cases, it's crucial to break down your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. By dividing your work into bite-sized portions, you'll have a clear roadmap of what needs to be done, which will help you stay focused and motivated. Additionally, completing these smaller tasks will give you a sense of accomplishment, boosting your overall productivity. Let's not forget about the importance of documentation. Writing clear and concise comments in your code can save you a tremendous amount of time in the long run. Not only does it help you understand your own code better, but it also aids collaboration with other developers. By documenting your code effectively, you'll be able to navigate through your projects more efficiently and avoid confusion. Remember, good documentation is not just a nice-to-have, it's an essential skill for any programmer. Tip number 6 is to utilize code snippets. Code snippets are pre-written pieces of code that can be inserted into your project with just a few keystrokes. They can be incredibly helpful when you find yourself writing similar code repeatedly. By creating and using your own code snippets or leveraging existing libraries, you'll be able to accelerate your coding process and save a significant amount of time. So, take advantage of code snippets and let them do the heavy lifting for you. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of taking breaks. It might sound counterintuitive, but taking regular breaks can actually improve your coding speed and productivity. Our brains need time to rest and recharge, so make it a point to step away from your PC. Yes, that wraps up our 7 quick tips to increase coding productivity. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you can implement them in your coding routine. Remember, coding fast is not about rushing through the process, but rather about finding efficient ways to work smarter. If you enjoyed this video and found value in the tips shared, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all our future videos on coding tips, tutorials, and industry insights. Just click that subscribe button below and join our amazing community of fellow coders. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section. I love hearing from you and engaging with our community.